Hello and welcome to this Canva tutorial on how to move objects in images. We'll use this cat image as an example. Imagine you want to shift a specific object in your image, like this cat, from the left to the right side. Click on the image, go to Edit, and on the right side, you'll find the Magic Grab feature represented by the hot air balloon icon. Click it. Select the object you want to move. Then choose the brush tool to make detailed selections and refinements on the image. Once you're done, click Grab. Now you can freely move the object to any desired location, completely altering the composition of the image. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.